Adding an image to your email signature is a great way to give visibility to everyone you communicate with on Outlook that you're hiring. We've created 2 images that you can download and save to your email signature, and I'm going to show you how to add them. First, visit the Promote with Pride site and scroll to the bottom section. Right-click, Save, and title the image. Next, go into Outlook and click File from the top toolbar and then click Options. On the left-hand side, you'll see Mail. Click it and a menu will appear to create a new signature. You can choose whether to update your internal or external signature. Right now we'll choose external. Next, make sure the cursor is at the bottom of your signature and click the image icon in the toolbar to upload your image. Select the image and save. To make sure your image is displaying correctly, start a new email and it should appear at the bottom of the message. That's it. Now every email you send helps you promote with pride.